हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ कैपेचिनो की रेसिपी शेयर करने वाली हूँ। ये एक रिक्वेस्टेड वीडियो है और जिन्होंने मुझे रिक्वेस्ट किया था उन्होंने मुझे कहा था कि ये वीडियो इंग्लिश में बनाऊँ। ये बिल्कुल स्टारबक्स और कैफ़े कॉफ़ी डे की तरह बनाया है, तो चलिए देख लेते हैं इसे मैंने कैसे बनाया है। Whenever we feel like drinking coffee or cappuccino, the only name that strikes in our mind is Starbucks or CCD because we love the coffee and cappuccino they make. But instead of spending 400 to 500 bucks at their shop, we can make it at home with simple and easy tricks. So I'll be sharing with you all the tips and tricks. Follow the instructions, and you can make it at home so easily. For making cappuccino, we need a perfect and good coffee. I'm using Nescafe Gold Blend over here. It's one of my favorite, and as you can see the granules are so large, but this coffee comes out to be so rich, creamy and smooth. After that, I'll be using powdered sugar, and yeah, the most important thing, use a measuring spoon for measuring these two ingredients so that it would be a perfect cappuccino froth. Here I'm using powdered sugar. I have blended the sugar into the mixer grinder. I'm using 1/4 cup of powdered sugar for this recipe and 1/4 cup of coffee. The ratio would be same. You can use any cup for measuring this. I have kept here 1 cup milk for boiling. We need hot boiling milk for this recipe. First we'll make the coffee froth. For that we need 1/4 cup of coffee. You can use normal Nescafe coffee also, but this comes out to be very rich, creamy and smooth. After that I'm adding here 1/4 cup of sugar powder. Mix it, and here we'll need 1/4 cup of normal room temperature water. Just mix it gradually. Add the water gradually and mix it well. Now we'll start beating it with an electric beater. If you don't have electric beater, you can use hand whisk also, but it will take a lot of time. First of all, you start beating at slow speed for 30 to 40 seconds, and as you see the color changes, start beating at medium speed for more 30 to 40 seconds. And after that, after nearly about 2 minutes, you'll see that it has become very creamy. Then start beating at turbo speed or full high speed. As you can see, I'm beating at turbo speed because there is an option in that beater. You can use the maximum speed option for that. And you can see the creaminess of the mixture. But we have to make it just like whipped cream, so we will beat it some more for more 1 or 2 minutes at high speed. So I'll beat it some more, nearly about 1 or 2 minutes more. And finally the color has changed into beige color, just like pale white. And you can also see the froth. It's just like soft peaks. I'll mix it and show you. The froth is completely ready. So we'll start making coffee. The milk has also come to a boil, and we need 1 cup of milk for this recipe. Just pour this hot boiling milk into a cup and use it. I'm using here coffee froth 2 teaspoons because I love a little strong coffee. You can use as per your taste. Then I'll pour the hot boiling milk into the cup. And yeah, for sugar, if you need more sweet, you can add into the milk also. Mix it a little. As you can see the creaminess of the cappuccino. You can add some more milk and some more froth to that. I've added some more milk and froth. And our cappuccino is perfectly ready. You can top it with cocoa powder or chocolate sauce or whipped cream, whatever you love. I just love it normally only, and you can see the froth. It's perfect cappuccino made at home, just like Starbucks and CCD. Hope you guys love this video, and if you love this video, please like and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel also.